Hello friend, we discuss how to convert Shapefile to GeoJSON file. If you want to work in JavaScript, so it is important for you. GeoJSON means JavaScript object notation. So please like, share and subscribe. So let's start. Here is our ArcMap and pole and center line. It is Shapefile and we convert to GeoJSON. So we go to ArcCatalog. ArcCatalog, we go to conversion. Here is conversion. After conversion, we go to JSON file, GeoJSON. Select here feature to GeoJSON. We select here Shapefile. Here is output path. We go to output path. We select here output. We write here file name pole and save it and OK. Also we convert in center line. We go to conversion, JSON file, feature to JSON, double click and select here line and output path and write here and save. OK. We open JSON file. Here is file. We right click and go to open and notepad. We open it. Here is our GeoJSON file. Here is GeoJSON file. And we open center line. Here this center line. We right click and go to open notepad and here is open GeoJSON file, point and line file. Here is point means pole, here is line, point and line GeoJSON file. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.